Hello guys, welcome back to Coding for All. I'm sorry for my voice as I'm suffering from sore throat, so but still I hope that I am going to recover soon so we can continue where we left last time. So I hope that you have all tried for the mega challenge, but if you haven't, I would recommend you to go to the last video and see what the challenge really was. And this is how our site is looking. It is working really well at the moment. We are done with the pricing section. Now we will be working over the footer where we decided for our mega challenge. So in order to observe the challenge, we need to convert the writing in this format. So for this reason, we will go to the footer section. Testimonials, pricing. I'm sorry. So this is the footer section, and this is call to action. So what we can do, we can give this a different section, call to action, over here. Call to action section. Now we will make this in comment form, and then obviously we will looking CTA ID. So hashtag CTA. Now we want its writing to be font family. Mount Control S. Let us see now. Yes, the writing has changed, but obviously you won't be able to see it at the moment. So this is the buttons will be as we did it before. We'll be working over the buttons, and we want the buttons to be similar as they were above. So for this reason, what we can do, we can make a separate class for this. Button footer, and we want, you can see the same class here. Let's see what is it going to look like. So we want the buttons to be similar. Obviously this won't have any impact at the moment, but we want these images in such colors, but obviously in smaller size. So for this reason, we will look over here. Button, if I write just to observe, is it going to change or not? Yes. What if I add this first, just in order to see its effect? So here we are. Let us check its effect. Okay, we want this to be present inside the button as we did it here. You can observe this is going to be the pattern. The download button is going to appear at the end, and this whole section will appear in the middle. So we can place it here. Control S. Let us see now. Yes, very nice. Why don't we get the other icon too? So this is the other icon. then we will paste it again here. See now, it's very nice, but if I add some space, is there going to be an effect or not? Yes, there is. This is what we wanted. Now we want our first now we will have a class, say button footer, and as we did it before, we are going to repeat that, and it is going to be, where is the button? Yes, so first one is going to be the dark, but we won't have this one large, and second will be light, but the outline will be dark. So let us see. Button dark, nice. Button light, okay. Button outline dark. So I hope that we did it. So this is our button section, and these are our buttons. Now what we should do, that we are going to add a background color that is going to be pink. So background color pink. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. Very nice. Now we will add padding to it again, but before that, why don't we text align center? Okay, it's looking better. So this is what we want. We want it to be white color, and obviously padding is going to happen. For this reason, why don't I change its color to white? But for this reason, I can add some class. CTA text. And then now color is going to be white. Very nice. What if I change font weight to be bold? Let us see. Oh, very nice. I think that is looking better. So why don't we now add some padding? For this reason, padding, what if I say 10%? Oh, very nice. Why don't we reduce it to 5? Don't you feel that 5 is better than 10? I think 5 is doing good job, so I must continue with this thing. Now CTA text is this text, so why don't I try to add some margin bottom, GPX. What if I add padding? That's nice. Or if I write this in a form of percentage. Oh yeah. I think okay. So we don't want to be such far from each other. So we can do 2. Why don't we add 2? Okay, so now we will be adding something here, and for this reason we need to go back. Oh my god. This is what I thought that it's something wrong. This was a thing that was not good with me. So I'm sorry for this thing. Now we will be adding here something to be placed. So for this reason, either we can add padding by making a different div, or we can try this thing. Button footer. If I add padding to button footer, it will give padding to these buttons. But I want padding to be external. And so for this reason, as you observe in the above section, what we did with the buttons is our button. This is, we add this class, and then later on buttons and headings. Later on what we did padding here, and then this was all. And even download button, you can observe here, where is our class, download button. So anyway, I hope that you got the message. Now we can do something with this thing, but still I will show you that what if we add padding to the button footer here. So padding, for example, 2%. You see, it will affect this part, but we want something else. Now as we have looked here, that there is some space, but we can't see that space here, and for this reason we will do something with this class over here, and then we can add margin, for example 2%. Refresh. Oh, these are much far from each other, so why not this? I think this is looking better, huh? What do you think about it? So it's looking really nice, but what if I want to add padding inside? If I write padding 2px, let us see its effect. Very yes, now let us change now. Don't you think it is looking good? But what if I add padding top 0, then right, then bottom, then left? What do I observe now? Do you think that it is looking better? The choice is your own. But I think that if I change this 5 pixel and bottom 5 pixel, and this is looking better than before. So it's my own choice, you can do whatever you want. So we are doing really well and we are going closer. So our next task is to add these symbols. So from the font awesome, obviously you will search for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and mail logo and simply copy paste. So try it on your own, it's really easy. Pause the video and give it a go. So I hope that you have just pasted all the links in your atom code site, and it is really simple. You will just copy all those and will paste in the footer section, and we will be working later on over it. And I will try my best to send this as a file so that you can simply refer to this one whenever you are feeling some issue. So what can we do next? Obviously footer, section. Guys, until I'm doing this, why don't you like, share and subscribe? I know that I'm not much energetic at the moment as I was previously, but I really apologize for my sore throat as I'm not at all feeling well at the moment. So this won't be even too long lecture. We will be trying to complete this challenge only in this part so that I may recover. I am not able to speak at the moment, and for this reason kindly I hope that you will cooperate. So footer, text align, center. It's very nice. Now we need to add some space here. So how can we do that? Okay. Why don't I add some padding first? That's nice. There must be some space for each section. And now we can add some space between them. This reason, why don't I make a class? Copy, write text. Here we are, and then margin. What if I say 3px? This is really less. Or if I add some percentage sign, and let us see. Oh, okay. That's the reason. Okay. So I haven't saved this. Control C. Control V. Now what if I add margin 3%? Let us see its effect. Oh, this is too much. I'm trying to make this with percentage so that it may be much more responsive. So it is looking nice. Yes, it is. Now we want to add spacing, so why don't I just increase the space between them, and then let us observe. Okay, this is something that wanted. So now why don't we observe its responsiveness? Wow. Great job, guys. Really a big hand for all of us. I really appreciate what we have done moving just from the basics, and we are able to create such a beautiful and responsive site that really it deserves like, share, and subscribe. There's no doubt about it. You can simply show this to everyone. This is one of your best thing that you can do by being just a beginner. So give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe so that each and every person who is trying to come up with this skill may become a full stack web developer with these small steps that will surely help and motivate the person. What a beautiful site it is looking. I'm really proud of myself, and I would like to know if you are proud of your own self. So comment in the section below and tell me if you are proud. You should write that I am proud of myself, and you should give it a like. So that's all for this, because I'm not feeling well. I hope that you can observe the fall in my energy too. So that's all. We are going to move forward towards JavaScript and many other different things, and I would like you all to stay tuned for this reason. Until then, take care of yourself, revise, implement, try, and obviously you can talk to me by using any of the social media platforms, or just email me, or you can talk in the comment section under this video. So at last, I would like to thank you all. Like, share, and subscribe the video and the channel so that we can learn and grow together. Until then, take care, bye, and good luck.